What's up, guys? Today's video is on the best Black Friday deals in 2019. It's almost that time of the year again, our favorite shopping holiday. This year, Black Friday falls on Friday, November 29th. I've done all the hard work for you by scouring the internet for the absolute best deals this Black Friday. I give you the top options available right now and offer you the best advice over which deals you should be looking at. For more information on the deals, I've included links in the description box down below, which will be updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now, let's get started. First, I want to start off with the 5 best absolute steals I was able to find on Amazon this Black Friday. Fifth is the Nikon D7500 camera body, available for $800, which is 40% off. Fourth is the Samsung QLED 55-inch 4K TV priced at $700, which is 40% off. Third is the Fire HD 10 tablet, which will be $100, so you can save $50. Second is the 4K Fire TV stick, which will be available at $25, so you get it for $25 off. And first is the Echo Dot 3rd Gen, which will be priced at $20, so you get it for $30 off. Here are the other best Black Friday deals, which go live on Amazon starting November 22nd and the days to follow. Last year, Black Friday was a record-breaking event for Amazon, which saw sales increase by millions over the previous year, and the top-selling product globally was the Echo Dot. This year, Amazon once again offers the best deals on the Echo Dot. The Echo Dot 3rd Gen will be available at around $22, so you save $30. And the Echo Dot with clock at around $35, so you save $25. There are also the Echo 3rd Gen for $60 and the Echo Show 5 for $50, both being $40 off. All of these make doing stuff around your home way easier with its built-in Alexa and speakers. If you are looking for a simple tablet, then Amazon also offers the best deals on Fire HD tablets. You can get the Fire 7 tablet for $20 off at $30, the Fire HD 8 tablet for $30 off at $50, and the Fire HD 10 tablet for $50 off at $100. These are all basic budget tablets for media consumption and reading at even lower prices. For media consumption at a bigger scale, Amazon has deals on the Fire TV Stick and Cube. The Fire TV Stick with Alexa voice remote will be $20, which saves $25, and the 4K Fire TV Stick with Alexa voice remote will be $25, which saves $25, and is definitely worth the extra $5 for the 4K option. The Fire TV Cube is also available for $30 off at $90. I actually have the 4K Fire TV Stick, which I use to binge watch my favorite Prime shows and movies. For more household tech devices, Amazon has deals on Home Smart security camera bundles. The Blink XT2 Indoor and Outdoor 3 camera kit will be available at $185, so you can save $65, and the Ring Indoor Cam 2 pack will be priced at $100, so you can save $40. Home security cameras can be pricey, so this Black Friday is the perfect time to invest in these devices to keep your home safe. If you want to get ahead on these deals, you may also want to check out the early Amazon Black Friday deals available right now. These include amazing deals for TVs, cameras, and Apple products. 4K TVs are all the rave right now, and Amazon is offering up to 40% off on the top 4K TV brands out there. Samsung QLED 4K TVs and Sony 2019 OLED TVs are on sale for up to 40% off. This is a crazy deal you should definitely take advantage of if you're looking to buy a 4K TV this shopping holiday. Amazon also has Nikon cameras and lenses for up to 40% off, such as the Nikon D7500 body at $800 and the Nikon D750 body at $1,200. So whether you're a beginner, enthusiast, or professional photographer, there's a deal for you. As well as, if you are loyal to Apple and want to buy the latest Apple product, then you should take a look at these deals. The Apple iPad 10.2-inch 2019 is now available at $300 from $329. The MacBook Air 13-inch 2019 was $1,099 but is now priced at $999. The Apple Watch Series 4 is $329, so you save $100. You can even get the Apple AirPods with charging case for $144 instead of $159, and the AirPods with wireless case for $164 instead of $199. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, see you guys later.